what I got in the mail. It's another Coin and Currency Club box. I love these subscription boxes. This is my second one. What they do is they send this out monthly, and they have they actually send you currency as well as information about another country. So I love travel. This is also really great for kids, but you know, for anyone that you know that likes travel too, this is awesome. Let's check out this box and see what country we're going to learn about. Let's check this out. The first thing we have says open last, so I am not going to touch this yet. But last time, and same as before, we have this packet. So let's dig in and see everything that's included inside here. So they have the Explorer Journals. Can you guess this country's month? They give us a couple different clues. Where lions roar, rivers run deep. Country sits right in the heart of Africa. So we know what part of the world we're dealing with. Clue 2, vast tropical rainforest covers its land, homes to gorillas, endless green beauty. Clue number 3, this country shines with diamonds, copper, cobalt, hidden in rich soil. And clue number 4 is they've got, you know, joyous music fills the air, African rhythm. It's one of Africa's largest countries where the river runs as deep as adventure. So I'm not sure which country. We're going to find it out together. Okay, so here we go. And open this up. And whoops, that stuff starts falling out on me. We are in the DR Congo. Not what I was guessing. And so this is really cool. I don't know a lot about the Congo, but ironically, I have a couple of friends who just were living over there for a couple of years, and they just moved back to their country. So I'm excited to get to learn about where they were living, and also a place in the world that I don't know much about. So what these packets have here, they've got, you know, it shows you on a map where the DR Congo is located, and you can provide some feedback. And then in the back is a word search. So these boxes are definitely made for children, but I find, like, you know, myself and adults who love travel also get really excited by these boxes. So next thing we have is the travel documents that are going to show more about the Congo. So inside it's got famous people from history that are from the DR Congo. They also include geography and culture information. And then on the back, so in the DR Congo, they speak French. So they actually have how to speak French, and they give you a crash course on some common phrases, and then also how to count to 10. So I love that you actually get an introduction into the backgrounds of the country in addition to all the other information. And it's cool that, you know, they also include this crash course on the language. This is definitely great for adults who love trying to learn other languages, and for anyone. I mean, this is so cool. Next, we have this pamphlet, which includes information on national parks and rivers. They also have back here different meals actually for the different countries, and they show you how to pronounce them and explain a little bit about that. That is so cool. I've never had any food from the Congo, and I definitely want to check out some of these because they actually look really good. And they also have, you know, what types of animals that you find in the Congo, which is really cool too. And they do include recipe cards for 2 of the meals that they highlight. This one in particular looks really good. I'm going to attempt to pronounce it. They say it's said as Enda Kala. I hope I'm saying that close to correct. But on the back, they tell you the different ingredients and then how to go about cooking it. So this one I think looks really good. I want to give that a try. And then this is the other one, which is pondu, and it looks really good too. So I like that they include actual local food information and give you the recipe for how to recreate it on your own. Next up, we have this card, which on the back explains about different national symbols. They also show you what the national emblem is, and they do include a sticker of the national emblem, which is really cool. They have the national anthem, and they also give you a sticker that has the country's flag too. They also include this passport, which you can fold over and make look like a real passport. But in here, they've got quick facts about the country. So what the capital city is, the population, a couple trivia things about the country. Some of the featured cities are included in the back too. So I love that they make it look like a little passport. I think that's really adorable and really goes nicely with their whole collection. I've got the one from last month. I think this one looks really cute too. I'd love to frame them and display them. I just think that's really awesome. And then, so this is all actual currency and then about the currency. So the currency they use is called the Congolese franc. They tell you what the conversion is to the US dollar On the back, they include a shopping list so you know what the value of everything is. But what I love is, in addition to the actual currency they send you, they give you information about it. So I'm going to take this coin out so we can look at it a little closer. It is in absolutely pristine condition, but that's the one side, and then this is the other side. And we can learn from this card. This is 25 centimes coins, so that's what their coins are called. It was minted in 2002, features a mongoose, which is that one. On one side, symbolizing agility and resilience, which is admired by the culture. And then on this side, they have the lion, which they say represents strength, authority, and national pride. So I love that they actually explain the symbolism behind everything too. So this is the banknote that they include. So it's a 50 banknote on this side with the mask. What they say is that this features the Twashki Moana Pau mask, which is supposed to symbolize beauty, initiation, and the cultural identity of the Twashki people. And then on the back here, we also have, this is a fishing village along the Congo River. It's supposed to represent river life, community, and traditional livelihoods. They also include information about the watermark, and I don't think you can see it, but on this part right here, they actually have what looks like a deer in the watermark right about here. So that's cool that they actually show you like where the watermark is. I know you can't see it on the camera, but it's really cool that it's just like built in right there. We also have this pack to look through, so I'm going to skip the proverb card for now because we actually have some additional currency and another fact sheet. So I'm going to take out this one so we can look at this. This is a 100 franc bill for them. And then on this side, we again get the currency information. The 100 is issued in 2013. It features an African elephant, which is the emblem for strength and the nation's rich wildlife. And then on the back, this is what the back of the bill looks like. This shows their hydroelectric dam and power line, symbolizing their efforts towards energy infrastructure and industrial development. So that's really cool. And they also, I know you can't see it, but it does have the watermark right in there. And then this is their other bill. So let's look at this one. And then so looking at this, this bill is called a 1 centime. So it's the same name as that little coin that we had too. And this bill is from 1997, and it features a woman harvesting coffee, highlighting the country's rich agricultural infrastructure. And then on this side, we have a volcano, and this says it depicts the eruption of Mount Nyiragongo, and it's along the coffee branches, symbolizing both the region's fertile volcanic soil and also their natural power. So I love that they actually include just what is on these bills. And I think just, I mean, the coin and currency that they're sending over is beautiful. I love seeing what other coin and currency looks like. I know other people just love touching it, looking at it. And I love that with this coin and currency club, you're able to actually feel what everything looks like and see it firsthand. And then they send along a proverb card. So this is what the card looks like on the other side. And the saying they have, they tell you how to say it in the local language, but they also have written in English. So it means one person alone cannot clear the path. And I think that's absolutely beautiful. And these boxes have so much stuff. We still have these to go through. So I'm going to open these up. And the first thing we have is a beautiful poster. This is of Boyama Falls. Absolutely stunning. And then the next one is a map that shows where the country is, some of the key cities. I love that they really just break it down, make it so much easier to understand about the country, and to start putting city names along with a map and just where in the world this is. I mean, what a great introduction something like this is for anybody, especially kids. I wish that I had something like this when I was a kid, just because I think it's so cool that they, you know, really give you that introduction and you start to daydream about beautiful places in the world that you normally might not hear about, get the opportunity to visit, get the opportunity to, you know, see what their currency looks like. I absolutely love these boxes. So long story short, these boxes are amazing. I love everything that they send along. Definitely check them out. Awesome for kids, awesome for the traveler in your life. This is fantastic. This is my second month getting them, and I just think these are great. I would definitely highly recommend them for yourself or anybody because this is so much fun to go through. I really enjoy it. Thank you so much, Coin and Currency Club, for sending such an amazing box.